Now we're going to put the flip camera in the microwave and turn it on. Let's see how well it performs then, okay? Probably not too well. I'm going to close the door now on the microwave. And we're going to turn it on high for just a little bit, okay? You ready? Let's go. Okay. I'm going to put it on broil. Ding! There. Can you see how you doing now in there? Not too well, yeah, I bet. Yeah, and you don't like it in there, do you? No. Yeah. Let's turn up the heat a little bit. Ding! Ding! How you like it now? You like it? Yeah. I thought so. Well, let's see if it's well done. Well, looky there. It survived. It's a miracle.